Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is SavannahLadell, and if you're returning, then welcome back. So today's video is going to be about this HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. They actually sent me this a couple days ago, so thank you guys so much for sending this to me. I'm really excited to try it out because I've actually been wanting to whiten my teeth. I used to be a smoker, cigarette smoker, so thank God I don't do that anymore. I do drink a lot of coffee, so I know that also contributes to some damage to my teeth as far as them not being so white. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what comes in the package. The HiSmile kit, it actually shows you on the back like what you're supposed to get in your kit. Inside you'll get 3 syringes of the product, HiSmile gels, the mouth tray, results chart, and instruction manual. So all that is in here, and this is just what it looks like. Okay, so I have the teeth chart right here. I'm actually looking at it. I would say my teeth are probably at a 4 or a 5, I feel like. So the directions say apply 1/4 syringe of whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of mouth tray. So that was easy. It says relax and let the whitening process begin. So you put the LED light in for 10 minutes and you actually press this button in the middle, and it actually times it exactly for you, so you don't have to look at a watch or a clock to figure it out. It will tell you when it's done. So let's get to whitening. I'm excited, y'all. I really am. Just got done with my 10 minutes. The LED light beeps whenever the 10 minutes are up, so that way you know when you're done and good to go. I love that you don't have to time it, that it just has a self timer built into this thing. I thought that the whitening gel was gonna taste gross, but it actually was very mild. Like, I didn't even really notice it. Didn't bother me at all. After you're done with that, you're just gonna wanna spit any of the gel that's still remaining in your mouth out and then rinse with water. And then yeah, you're good to go, and then you'll do the next day. So this is a 6-day process. I'll be taking you guys with me throughout the process. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my first time using the kit, and I'll check back in with you guys on day 6 and show you guys my results.
2,000 years later.
I'm back. It's been 6 days since I did the HiSmile treatment. It's a 6-day process, so this is, well, yesterday was my last day, so I'm filming this now to tell you guys what I think. I think that I definitely see a difference. I'm just gonna show you the pictures, so I'll insert that now. In the beginning, my teeth weren't really like yellow. I wouldn't just call them yellow, but I will say that they were not bright white, okay? So I definitely feel like my teeth are a lot whiter. I definitely see the difference. At first I wasn't sure when just looking in the mirror. I was like, I don't know if I really can tell a difference. Then when I took a before picture, which I showed you guys in the beginning, no filter on that, no alterations, no brightening, nothing on there. So I took a before picture, and then I just took my after picture and I put them side by side, which I'll insert now, and I can see the difference. Like, that shows me that they are a lot whiter. So I give HiSmile a thumbs up. If you're looking for something to give you like a quick fix, I definitely suggest that you order it, and I have links down below if you're interested. And just know that over time, like, the whiteness of it will probably fade, because again, I drink coffee. That's just something I do every day, so I know over time the whiteness of them will fade. But the cool thing is you can always order the kit for a quick fix and a touch-up. So yeah, I just wanted to come back on here and give you guys my final review on the kit. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just comment down below, and also let me know if you're interested in getting this and if you think you're gonna order a HiSmile whitening kit, because yeah, I feel a lot better. Like, I feel like my teeth are brighter. I don't know if you could tell. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. I don't know why I said it like that. Go ahead. Too much coffee, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up if it helps you in any way. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.